Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I will show you how to delete a heading in Word so you can easily remove unwanted headers from your document. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Word document by double-clicking the file name, or you can open Microsoft Word first and select the document from the File menu. Step 2. Click on the Insert tab from the top menu. The Insert tab contains tools that let you add or manage elements like headers, footers, tables, and images in your document. Step 3. Click on Header from the toolbar inside the Insert tab. This option shows you different header settings and allows you to control what appears at the top of each page. Step 4. Click Remove Header from the drop-down menu. This action instantly deletes the existing header from your document. Step 5. Click the Save icon to save the changes. Saving ensures that the removed header stays deleted and your updated document is stored safely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful tutorials.